Yeah. You think you're an icon, huh? I'ma take shots like an icon, but I've been nice all day. When you talk about ice, but the nice guy's gone. Now it's all Mr. I don't give a. Never mind, I won't even cuss. Let my mind open up to the world up above. Let the wisdom flow through like the old you. I've never seen you talk like a man with his head screwed on. Now you're acting like a little kid, reflecting your image with the fame kicking in. Thought you had a bright future like you changed this and then, but now I can see you took the easy route, yeah, you blended in. Saying I am legend, like the next Will Smith, but it turns out you're just reading a script. Yeah, you probably independent, but your daddy paid for it. You ain't self-made for it, you ain't never made. Never mind again. Funny thing is, I was almost impressed, cause I guess you would talk about the industry and other fakes, but instead you decided to break and take the money that they paid you. Now you're looking like the same to me. Got the gold teeth in and a brand new whip. Kinda crazy, they call it a whip. Now it's got you enslaved to the game like a man. I wish I could say what I'm thinking, but my mama told me treat people as I'm treated. You ain't ever said nothing wrong to me, so I keep it low key, but you really let me down. I had high hopes with the way that you spoke about spirituality, like you know where to go, but I guess you had to go out and take your heart broke, so that made you like this? Yeah, I don't think so. I think someone wrote all the words that you said, but correct me if I'm wrong. I just don't understand how you could change so quick just because of some chick you were with for a couple of months. Something's up. The industry takes all these people with actual plans to do something and throws them away. This dude's a kid, so then you took advantage in hopes that you'd make us look the other way. But I'm here to confront every rapper you make, cause I'm tired of actual greats becoming some average waste of everybody's time. So keep writing them rhymes and tell them to act. I'ma write on my own and proceed to react in the only way that I know. Won't follow no code, not here to be told what to do. I'ma choose what I say and then point it at you, cause I'm here for the truth, not to lie to the people. Yeah, we got enough of that already, man. I've been ready, I'ma hold steady on the trigger while you try and figure out what I'ma say next. I'ma wreck it like Ralph. Open mouth, can't close it now, can't hold me down. I've been on my own on this lonely route, I ain't going out. I've been working on my craft so that I can battle everybody, killing all the rap. It's a vast majority, so I can surely get someone else's attention. In my own dimension, I've been focused in it, I've been kinda itching for somebody to come and try to convince me to stop. I will not. Man's not hot, I'ma take my jacket off. I'm full metal, I'ma go mental with the 12 gauge shot to the dome. I'ma blow your brains with the way that I drop pressure. I'ma pop whether that's what you want me to do or not. I don't have any options left, so I bet I'ma take this to the end, even if I gotta do it with no friends. I don't need no one by my side, but I got fam. I don't got fans, I got people that I know that don't know when I'ma ever make it, but until the day I do, I'ma come up with